What's up guys, the next Honor smartphone for China is the Honor 20 Lite, which is also called as Honor 20 Youth Edition. The China Telecom listing of the Honor 20 Lite, that is Youth Edition, reveals that it will be hitting the Chinese market on October 25. The smartphone will come in 4 choices in the country, like 4GB of RAM with a 64GB of storage, 6GB of RAM with a 64GB of storage, and 6GB of RAM with a 128GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM with a 128GB of storage. These variants will cost you around $254, $282, $325, and for the 8GB and 128GB variant, you have to pay $367 in the international market. The phones are coming in 3 colors: blue water jade, midnight black, and Icelandic fantasy. Coming to the specification, a Chinese tipster had recently claimed that the Honor 20 Lite or Youth Edition will be powered by Kirin 710F. Even some rumors are speculating that it could be powered by Kirin 810 chipset. However, Kirin 710F is the most expected chipset on this phone. The Honor 20 Lite has a 6.3-inch OLED display with water drop notch. It is embedded with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The smartphone also offers an aspect ratio of 20:9 with full HD plus resolution. This phone is backed with a 4000 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support, and supports fast charging with 20-watt rapid charging technology. The front notch of the phone has a 16 megapixel selfie snapper, and its back panel has a triple camera setup that has a 48 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel lens, and a 2 megapixel of sensor, which could be a depth sensor or a macro sensor. This phone weighs around 171.5 grams. So these are the details which we know so far about the upcoming Honor 20 Lite or Honor 20 Youth Edition. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.